Okay, I'm gonna be unboxing FX's electric shock. Once I untangle it from the rest of the pack. There we go. Oh, come on. Yep, there we go. So yeah, FX's electric shock. Okay. Front cover. Back. There's no checklist or anything. It's just all the girls and a bear with a cross over its eye. Okay. Oh, I'm just adjusting the camera. Okay. Yeah, so get to opening. I like FX. I don't know too much about them yet, but I like their stuff a lot. Like, I mean, obviously electric shock. I don't have a bias really in this group either. Just, I like, maybe Amber. I like Amber a lot. I think she's really cool. But I pretty much like all the members, so it's not really like one that I really like more, that is like a lot more than the others or anything. Oh, cool. K-pop sponge. Yeah, try and get it. Oh, there we go. It's a rabbit now, not a bear, right? This one's a bear. Yep. So it's a rabbit. Cute. I don't know. Some people say it's scary, but I think it's kind of cool. It's like, I don't know. Oh, I got Victoria. Victoria! Hey! Cute. Alright. Yeah, leader. I wasn't sure whether this one actually had a photo card or not, so hey, cool. That's that rabbit thing again. Kind of reminds me of, you know, like Donnie Darko. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't want that. I wouldn't want to see that, like, if I was creeping in the woods, like, I know. Oh, blank page. And rabbit. And crystal. More crystal. And, yeah. More crystal standing on top of something. Sully! Sully the cutie pie. Oh. Oh, just the, you know, advertising thing. Standard in pretty much all SM stuff, right? Not just SM, heaps of other companies do it too. Yeah, so it's cool. I don't know, it reminds me of something. I'm not really sure what, but like some weird movie. Just frolicking around in the woods. Crystal and Sully. Wait, that is Crystal, right? Gosh, okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. But yeah, here we go. Picture of Crystal and Sully. Yep, it is Crystal. Victoria. Well, rabbit thing. Again. And Victoria. Victoria. Oops. And Amber with the bear, hugging the bear. Yep, it is Amber. Victoria. I don't know, something about it just reminds me of like a horror movie kind of thing. Like, I don't find it scary because I really love horror movies a lot, so it's just kind of cool instead of scary. Like, blank pages with rabbits. And a bear thing, I guess. Cool. Or Victoria upside down. Topsy-turvy. Amber. With oh look, Amber. Upside down. I like seeing pictures upside down and putting them right way up sometimes. I don't know what that is, but okay. Okay. There's so many upside down pictures. I feel like I need to put them this way. Just messes with me. Luna. Ask Luna and Victoria. Luna with leaves. Yeah. All of them. More girls. More of them. Upside down. Pictures. All of them. All of them laughing. All of them putting on lipstick and then laughing. And it just, they're going for a sleepover kind of thing. That's cute. Sleepovers are fun. Lyrics. Bears. Lyrics. Yeah, credits and whatnot. And yeah, these are all just credits really. Okay. And more pictures of the girls. Just in the woods. Oh wow, this photo shoot would be weird. But cool, yeah. That's it. That is my unboxing of FX's Electric Shock. And my photo card, which is Victoria. Victoria. So yeah. Thanks for watching.